Mom's over there, she's making noises. That's her sound. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hello there, English speaking Tamil guy here.
Hello, my sexy Tamil friend.
Let's explore India on my Royal Enfield. Yeah, I've been like 10 feet closer to them accidentally. I walked in, okay, now I'm back on track since the deers left. Feeling that someone is watching me. Something is watching me. This is the place we're going to explore today. This is the famous, not so famous, Kava Island View.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3,
guys, we're all set and packed for this next trip. This is 3%. We're packing away from Kanjikodu. That's our road. We're all set and ready to go. Just a few more packing. Guys, that's the railroad.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake,
guys, if you think this is beautiful, take a look at that beauty. There's a mountain up ahead right in front of us. I hope the camera does some justice. So foggy, but it's up until that height. We can see it with our naked eyes.
wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
Guys, we reached Kava. That's a lot of Kava by the road and also this Kava. Beautiful place, beautiful tea stall.
என்ன இருக்கு ஆனால் நம்மளுக்கு இவ்வளோ தூரம் தான் மேப் காட்டுது இதுக்கப்புறம் தேடிக்கிட்டு தான் போகணும்
அவர் அறுக்கிறது மறுபடியும் அந்த சவுண்ட் வரதுக்குள்ள look at this. It's a cool place to chill out right by the tea shop. There's our motorbike. Here we are at this unmatched beauty. Chill out band. Guys, that tea shop didn't have tea and no one even guided us to the place. Yeah, but we figured it out anyway. Without Google Map, we did depend on our sense of directions, which was time consuming. Second யோசிப்பாங்க நான் 2 செகண்ட் கொடுக்கணும் காட்டவே இல்லைன்னா கூட சந்தோஷம் bro. Got where we wanted and it was too sandy. This place was too wild and this one way too dry, but we had to enter it anyway. We need to explore that. Finally found some green pastures, only it didn't come with an entrance. We did find a way soon after. That's a beautiful place.
Be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my
Such a beautiful place. How come YouTube not talking about this?
I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change not okay. All I want and I pray. All I need are some better days. Yeah. All I need are some better days.
So guys, we are going there. That island. So we are going over that to that island. So there's water in between, but we are going to find our way across that place.
ஓகே லெட்ஸ் கோ
என்ன விட்டு let's go வா So I'm gonna get off this bike now. We're going somewhere to park that shadow.
Show you what you want. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days.
The place was so enormous, made us look like children.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me.
Guys, there's someone trying to hatch her eggs here. Laid 3 eggs there. Bro just found it out. Oh, bro just found out many eggs there. Let's try and take a closer shot without disturbing him. Hope you guys can see him well. See her. Yeah, the mom's over there. She's making noises. That's her sound. While she was out partying with her boyfriend, we decided to place camera by her net without disturbing anyone, just to get a closer view, guys.
Believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't stop. Step up. Don't stop.
Guys, once again it's been established that the Royal Enfield Himalayan is indestructible. Bro, just see how steep this place is. This place is like, for your reference, this steep, and all this place is like somewhat this steep. So we missed a great shot because the Insta360 ran out of battery. Took a lot of abuse. We used it so much. Nice view, ain't it? Let's go. We're off. Leaving Kava. We're going to Atrapalli. Bro. Another day, another stop for another coffee shop. Just the place keeps getting more beautiful and beautiful.
Don't
Okay guys, I actually went closer to those deers. I hope you guys noticed that guy there. Let me show you. That deer is so huge. Yeah, I've been like 10 feet closer to them accidentally. I walked in. Okay, now I'm back on track since the deers left. Feeling that someone is watching me. Something is watching me.